Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a Rumba Colombian. Now, knowing how to do a Colombian, first move Colombian would be really helpful. And being good at leading footwork and maybe some moves with timing changes would be a good idea as well. We'll put links to things in the description below to make it easy and quick for you to go back and recap things that are going to help. But we're going to jump straight in. Now, we are limited in space. I mean, we're in a hall, so we've got a lot more room than usual, but this is the kind of move that actually feels nicer if you do a longer version. We're going to do something that takes up all the room we've got, but a longer version is going to work better. So we'll jump straight in and do our kind of baby version of a Rumba Colombian. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is basically a Colombian where you take steps at a normal speed, and then every third step you take half speed. So effectively you do 2 steps over 1 count, and then 1 step over a whole count, then 2 steps over 1 count and 1 step over a whole count. So let's break that down, and we'll do it slowly together. So it starts like a standard first move. We're going to go back, we're going to come in, we're going to twist out. So our first 2 steps are effectively going to be our quicks. We're going to go face, behind. Then we're going to take a slow step, so it's going to be longer, and we're going to take our time over it. Then we're going to do 2 quick steps through the middle and square, and then the behind step that comes up next is going to be our slow one. So we're going to go longer and take our time. There's going to be a bit of a sync there in the process. Then we're going to come quick, square, through the middle, quick. Then we're going to do a step to face, promenade step, and it's going to be another slow, which is also a nice way to stop, change direction, and we're going to lead the lady straight into a turn as she comes back, and face, return, and back. And of course you could combine this technique with any of the other Colombians as well. We'll do the same thing from this side going back, and we'll kind of think about the numbers as we do it. So we go back 1, into, twist 3, we're going to do step behind 4, then we're going to go face 5, through the middle and face again 6, behind 7, then we're going to go step through the middle 8, long step facing 1, going back the other way we turn 2, face 3, return 4, and back 5. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a Rumba Colombian. It's a back, in, twist, step behind, slow, through, step behind, step, step, slow, turn, face, return, and back. And that is the whole thing. Hope you find that one good fun and useful out on the dance floor. It's one of those things that if you feel that rhythm in the music and you're doing a Colombian, you might even drop into it naturally if you have good musicality. Okay, so do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel, and the notification bell, if you've got notifications turned on, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you don't miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, something that's got a nice feel to it. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.